Excel Core 2016 Lesson 1 Step-by-Steps. This is creating workbooks and saving workbooks step-by-steps. For the creating workbook step-by-step, you want to start with a blank workbook. In cell A1, we will type Fabricam Inc. Hitting enter brings us to cell A2 where we will type 123 4th Street and hit enter. And in cell A3 type Columbus, Ohio 73204. Press enter. Notice as we're typing that our data appears in both the formula bar and the cell. Notice here that though we're typing in the cells in the A column, it's overlapping into the B column. We place our cursor in between two columns and double click. It will extend that column width out to the maximum size needed. The same thing you can do with in between rows. All right, to save workbook for that step-by-step, we will click on File tab. This brings us to the Backstage view. There we will click Save As. We will ignore instructions from Microsoft on saving to the PC or to a flash drive. We're always going to use our OneDrive. So we'll click on our OneDrive for Charlotte-Mecklenburg Schools. And we will place things in our class folder in this case, which is our last name, first name, Excel S20 folder. And